I'm just not driving. I am just going to Uber home from here.
Okay,
I'm not doing that.
That's not an option right now?
No.
I'm giving you the opportunity.
I'm not. I'm going to call a friend or I'm going to
call an Uber. Okay.
I'm just going to...
Ma'am, listen.
On November 14th, 2025, a woman was arrested for DUI in Boca Raton, Florida. Officers found her asleep behind the wheel of a running Maserati at a public intersection. The 12-minute encounter that followed illustrates several core principles of Florida impaired driving law. The first question is whether the subject was even driving. Florida Statute Section 316.193 covers driving or actual physical control of a vehicle. In Griffin v. State, 1984, the Florida 2nd District Court of Appeal clarified the doctrine. An intoxicated person seated behind the wheel is an actual physical control. The driver could have started the vehicle and driven away at any moment. Here, the vehicle was running and left in drive. The element is satisfied. Field sobriety exercises are voluntary in Florida.
I'm going to be out with the vehicle at Dixie and Palmetto. The driver was passed out. I got flagged down by a few people. Starting 94. I'm sorry, where's home for you?
Linton and Federal Highway.
You got to speak up louder.
Sorry, Linton and Federal Highway.
Linton and Federal Highway. Do you know where you are right now?
Yes.
What city you're in?
I'm sorry. In Boca Raton.
Boca Raton? Okay, where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Palmetto.
Pompano, what are you doing in Pompano?
I was there, it was my birthday party, I'm so sorry.
Is it a birthday?
Yeah.
You were celebrating with friends and stuff? You have something to drink?
Not much, sir.
Not much?
No.
What's much? Not much.
Like 2 drinks over a period of 4 hours.
Okay, what time was your last drink?
10 p.m.
10 p.m.? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, would you mind stepping out of the car for me real quick? Could you shut your car off for me too as well? I don't want you to waste gas. Okay, here. Let's step back here, all right? So you said you were at some party in Pompano?
City unit B94 from over 1 and 1,001 Millbrook Road.
Copy attack when you're ready. Blue Maserati. Nope. So they just flagged me down. She was passed out right here.
I'm just tired, I just want to get home.
Tired? What happened?
I've had 4 nights of like 3 or 4 hours of sleep.
You had what? Sorry.
Huh?
What did you have? Sorry. I
What,
couldn't
sorry?
hear. The radio was talking. I couldn't hear
You said you had a few nights of less
Like 3
sleep?
to 4 hours of sleep, yeah.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get home.
Where are you coming from?
Gillespie's in Pompano.
What's that?
It's I guess a bar, restaurant in Pompano Beach.
Did you turn your vehicle off or was it off?
She turned it off and put it in park. When I rolled up, she was sleeping with it in drive and still
Sorry,
running.
I just had.
Is there anyone in there?
No, no one else.
I'm just tired. I'm so sorry.
Do you have anything to drink?
I did, but like a long time ago,
It's a long time ago.
like 10 p.m.
10 p.m.
Yes.
2 hours ago.
Yes.
What did you have?
I guess. I don't know, like a wine or something, like just regular like wine.
How many glasses?
I had 2 glasses over a period of 4 hours.
2 glasses over 4 hours?
Yes. Last night, but probably like 4 hours. I'm so sorry. It's just, I haven't had much to sleep. But if you want me to just pull this over here, and I'll just go right home. That's fine. I'm just tired.
Give me 1 second, okay?
No, but I don't mind doing that. Or if we not pull it over, you just leave the car here. Whatever.
Well, hold on. Just give me a second, all right? What you doing? All right.
Or I can just leave the car here.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna go home. I'm
here.
just gonna go home. I can.
Just gonna shut your door so it doesn't.
I mean, I
get
can
here
just
or
pull it
nothing,
over here. There's the 7-Eleven. We can just pull it
Okay.
here.
You
And
give him a second, okay?
Car 34, that vehicle 2054, comes back to an address in Boca.
Or if somebody wants to follow me home, that's fine too. Whatever works. Or if somebody wants to drive my car home, I don't care. I just have not had good sleep in like 5 days. I'm sorry. I've had a really rough time. Do you want me to pull the car over there?
Okay, just give him a second, all right? Let's walk toward the back corner of your car, all right? I don't want to stand between our cars. Just stand right here for a minute, okay? Just wait right there. Yeah, you can reposition. All right, ma'am. So, based on my observations, you being passed out behind the wheel with your car in drive and running, your eyes are a little bit red and glassy. While you're talking to me, I noticed your speech was a little slurred and mumbled, and you flat out said you had a few drinks earlier tonight. I have reason to believe that you are impaired and unable to drive a vehicle. So I want to give you the opportunity to dispel my alarm and do some field sobriety exercises with me. Would you be willing to do that?
I'm just not driving. I am just going to Uber home from here.
Okay, no,
I'm not doing that.
That's not an option right now?
No.
I'm giving you the opportunity.
I'm not. I am going to call a friend or I'm
Okay, listen. Okay.
I'm just going to
ma'am, listen.
I'm sorry.
I'm giving you the opportunity to dispel my alarm. Okay, if you don't want to, you have the right to do that, but I'm going to give you what are known as Taylor warnings. No. Let me talk to you.
No,
I need you to understand something. I need to give you your Taylor warnings. If you do not do these exercises with me, I have no option but to base my investigation off of only the things I've observed thus far, which I just explained. You're passed out behind the wheel, your speech is slurred, your eyes are red and glossy, and you admitted to having a few drinks earlier.
That is bullshit. It's my birthday. That's not nice.
All right, so with that,
really not nice. I'm really
with
sorry.
that in mind, will you do these field sobriety exercises to dispel my alarm? Yes or no?
No.
Okay.
No, stop! No!
Ma'am,
No!
do not resist.
Oh my God!
Do not resist, ma'am. Stop.
No, let's just park my car, please. No,
Ma'am.
let's just park my car. Please don't do this. No, please don't. Let me just park my car. Let's just park my car. I'm going home. Please just let me go home. Let me go home. Let me go home. Let me just go home. Please, I'm not.
Stop it.
No, don't do this. No, oh my God. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. No.
But under State versus Taylor, 1995, a refusal is admissible at trial as consciousness of guilt. The condition is a proper warning that refusal will cause the investigation to proceed on observations alone. That warning was delivered. Pennsylvania versus Mims, 1977, authorizes ordering a driver out of a lawfully stopped vehicle. No separate suspicion is required. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, 1984, ordinary traffic stop questioning is not custodial interrogation. Her statements about drinking, timing, and sleep are therefore admissible without Miranda.
Oh my God! Where's my lawyer? Like, can I get a lawyer or something? This is crazy! This is crazy!
I'm good.
Get a female out here.
Please?
You want to just sit her down? Or wait?
Just wait.
All right.
Yeah. Right.
Can I call like somebody? This is crazy! I'm not this kind of person. I don't understand what you're doing to me. Like, I'm not.
Is your car unlocked?
No, I think it's locked.
Go ahead and unlock it.
All right, good. All right. You want to sit her down? We're just gonna have a seat for now, okay? Yeah.
170. You want to call your team so I can call my...
Yeah. Bravo 34, and then I have a white female 1015.
Female 1015, 09. Photo 1, white male 1015. White male 1015, 09.
Alright,
I'm just. Let me just get an Uber home, please. Just let me get an Uber home.
We're beyond that. We're beyond that now.
What do you mean beyond that? I just asked for an Uber home.
Okay.
I just asked to get an Uber home. I just let my boyfriend pick me up. Please.
Now we just have to wait for a female officer to get here, okay?
What are you talking about? Let me go home. We leave my car right here. I don't need to drive my car. Leave my car here. I'm just gonna go home.
We're not going to leave your car here. Your car's in the middle of the road, okay?
Well, somebody can drive it. You're capable of driving. Just drive up there.
No, we don't drive other people's cars.
Okay, fine. I can drive it to the 7-Eleven. It's right there. It's right there.
If you want to get started on typing left arrest, anything, go ahead.
Okay, yeah. I'll stand with her. Appreciate it. Ask her where her license and all that stuff is in the car.
I'm not a criminal. I'm not a horrible person. I'm just trying to get home. I'm tired. And I just haven't slept much at all this week. And I haven't slept at all. Can I please just get home? And I don't mind if somebody drives my car home for me. Just get someone to be nice. Like I do nothing wrong. I give to the police department. I participate in all the things and I give all to like Boca Raton Police Foundation. I just don't put that stupid sticker on my car. I'm sorry, I don't put the sticker on my car. I just didn't want to put as many stickers on my car. I just put the one for FAU because I get FAU too. And I'm so sorry, I didn't put the Boca one, the Boca Police Department one. But I can call the Boca Police Department Foundation guy if you need to talk to him.
The request for counsel appears after the handcuffing. Under Edwards v. Arizona, once counsel is invoked in custody, police may not initiate interrogation without counsel present. On this footage, the officers comply. Force is evaluated against Graham v. Connor, judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene. The arrest involves only soft, empty hand control. The standard is easily satisfied. Offers to Uber home or summon a friend are legally inert. DUI in Florida is a crime, not a civil matter to be negotiated at the curb. Florida's implied consent statute, Section 316.1932, governs post-arrest chemical testing. A first refusal of the breath test triggers a 1-year license suspension. A second refusal is itself a first-degree misdemeanor under Section 316.1939. The reference to police foundation donations deserves direct treatment. Such foundations fund equipment and training. They do not confer immunity. The 14th Amendment guarantees equal protection regardless of donor status. 3 grades. The primary officer receives a B+. His probable cause articulation is textbook. His Taylor warning is legally sufficient. His force is minimal and proportionate. The subject receives a D+. She did not physically resist. She invoked counsel. But her underlying conduct endangered the public, and her refusal combined with continued admissions was a strategic error. The Boca Raton Police Department receives a preliminary B. No systemic defect is visible on the footage reviewed. 4 practical takeaways emerge from this incident. First, the driver's seat is a legal hazard after drinking. Once an impaired person settles behind the wheel with accessible keys, the crime element is often already complete. The back seat, with keys locked away, is a safer place to sleep it off. Second, cooperation and rights protection are not the same thing. Volunteered explanations feel cooperative, but each admission becomes evidence at trial. A calm, early invocation of silence and counsel preserves the defense that remains available. Third, emotional pleading is never a legal strategy. It extends the encounter, generates further admissions, and rarely changes the outcome. Fourth, institutional standing donations, profession, connections is legally irrelevant. A DUI investigation is decided on observations and admissions, not reputation. A closing note for policy. Florida's actual physical control doctrine is designed to catch impaired drivers before they cause harm. Its breadth is the point. It exists because prevention saves lives that enforcement after a crash cannot. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.